Hey everybody, it's Jimmy here. You've seen this house before. This is my client's home. It's a Brodrick 2157. It is under construction. We're gonna go inside and see what's happened since we were last in. It has all the siding on right now. Love this elevation with the board and batten siding, hardy board siding. You got that trellis above the garage doors. This one has a side bump, 4-foot side bump on it. And this particular elevation has the stone archway that looks really, really good. I like looking at it coming in, but also walking out from the front door looks really cool. And here's a look at the covered porch. Obviously this house is still under construction, so excuse the mess, the clay. Obviously all that will be cleaned up. In fact, we don't even have power on in here just yet. So it'll be a little dark because I cannot turn the lights on. But when we come in, obviously this will have flooring as well. This is the Brodrick floor plan is very similar to the Montcrest floor plan, the 2157. Brodrick is similar to the Montcrest 1755. You can see that the trim has gone in. Look at that. You've got the 8-inch baseboards. You got the wainscoting, and you've got the crown molding in here as well. The paint, so they went with like a light gray paint. So you've got that contrast instead of everything just being flat white. 10-foot ceilings make these rooms feel really, really big. Here's a look at the front bedroom. So the difference between this and a Montcrest, you essentially gain a couple of feet in several of the rooms. So you gain 2 feet, I believe, in this room, 2 feet in the hallway as well. This is going to be your front bathroom. So you got the tub shower combo, and then this will have tile going all the way up to the ceiling around that transom window. You have a single bowl vanity right there, a toilet, and a linen closet. And then you've got another bedroom here at the front of the home. Man, I love it when the siding, when the drywall is basically completed, the crown molding, the trim package is in, it really starts to look more and more like a house each time we come in here. So you've got a nice deep laundry room right here in the front of the house. So this one has the primary down, so it's got the laundry room on the main level as well. And coming back into the main living space. So again, 10-foot ceilings. So this has the coffered ceilings in the great room. On this particular floor plan, because of the layout upstairs, we do a drop coffered ceiling instead of doing a raised coffer ceiling. But I think it looks fantastic. Then we've got the electric inline fireplace, which is going to have a very modern look to it. It's going to be beautiful. And then here's the kitchen. So the island is not in yet. The island is going to go right here. In fact, this is probably for the island. But check out all these cabinets, 42-inch cabinets. You've got the white vent hood right there, which is beautiful. You got the gourmet kitchen, so you're gonna have the double oven or the oven microwave combo. I think we went double oven on this one. It's either that or the oven microwave combo. And then here's your pantry, nice deep pantry. And then check out the size of this eating space right here. It's got a huge nook. You got your covered patio. So here's a look at the covered patio. Hasn't been screened yet. I believe they are screening this in as well. And then you've got, we went with the concrete patio going the full length of the house. And this will all get sod. This will all have the grass and everything filled in. When we get a little bit further along, a nice look at the back of the home here. Come over here, you can see the back of that bump out on the side of the house. look down the other side of the home. Hopefully you enjoy getting to see this house and other homes being built at various stages when I do the under construction videos. I always like to see these houses as they grow, as they go from being in framing to drywall, and then eventually you're gonna have counters in here, you're gonna have floors in here. When this home is all finished, it's gonna be absolutely beautiful. Now, this space back here, on the paper, it's a bedroom, so there's a door coming from the other side. But we do have a very popular option that's a sitting room. When you do the sitting room, you're gonna have 2 windows over here, you're gonna have 3 windows on this wall, you're gonna have a door right here going out to the back porch. My buyers wanted to make this into a huge closet, so we had to do a special RFP, which is a request for pricing and design, and it got approved, and we were able to turn this into a humongous closet. We put a transom window up there to let in some natural light. And then this is the primary bedroom. And then because we did that closet, we eliminated the closet that was in this bathroom. And we pushed this wall back and just enlarging this, this bathroom, the primary bathroom. So this will have the luxury shower. That'll have tile going up to the ceiling. You have the soaking tub there. That'll have a towel surround also. You've got a linen closet there. And then you've got an oversized water closet right there. Closet space down there. Here's another great upgrade that they did. So we're doing the hardwood stairs going up. We did the open rail balustrades all the way up to the top. You get a good look at it right there. Just really elevates the look of the house. It's gonna look fantastic when it's all said and done. All right, so we come to the top of the stairs here. And this will be the loft. And then this room right here is not ordinarily on the plan, but we did an RFP for this as well. So we finished this room also. So this added, I don't know, several hundred square feet of extra living space. I believe it's 15 by 20, so maybe 300 square feet of additional heated and cooled living space. By doing that, completed a room over the garage. You got this deep closet right there. If you can tell, I'm sweating. It's about 95 degrees outside. There's no electricity in here yet. So it's not heated and cooled. All right, so you got another closet right there. Another bathroom that's connected to this bedroom. Bedroom has a nice deep closet. Shower, again, that'll have tile as well. Single sink vanity and a linen closet. There's an option if you wanted to, you could make it into a dual sink vanity. And then right over here is the furnace room. But you've got some additional flooring in here too. So if you need any more storage space for luggage and things like that, you got it right there. But you've got so many closets already, do you really even need any more storage space? All right, so that was a quick look at my client's house that they're building in the Harbor Point section of Edgewater in Lancaster, South Carolina. Edgewater is a master plan community with a lake and marina, golf course, restaurant, pickleball, all kinds of things to do, miles of walking trails. It's fantastic value. You can't get anything like this anywhere in the Carolinas, especially at this price point. So if you're interested in potentially building a home or purchasing a completed home, enjoying the Edgewater lifestyle and getting a brand new true home, give me a call directly at 704-313-8514. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Oh yeah, check this out when you're walking back outside from the front porch. There's Matt Moore making an appearance in the video. Thanks for watching.